Please subscribe for updates and help us grow. OnePlus 6 lands in India for Rs 34,999 along with Avengers limited edition version at Rs 44,999. A day after the latest OnePlus flagship was officially unveiled in London, and the Chinese phone maker announced the all-new OnePlus 6 in India. The company also launched its first wireless headphones, the Bullets Wireless, at the event hosted at the Dome at NSCI in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Kyle Kyang, the global head of marketing of OnePlus, took the stage to highlight OnePlus' meteoric growth in India before going on to unveil the smartphone and the wireless earphones. Brand ambassador Amitabh Bachchan and starlet Aditi Rao Hydari were present at the event. OnePlus 6 India price and availability. The OnePlus 6GB RAM and 64GB internal storage is priced at Rs 34,999 and 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage is priced at Rs 39,999. The device will be available in midnight black, mirror black and silk white color options. Alongside that, OnePlus also introduced a Avengers limited edition version of the smartphone with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of internal storage at Rs 44,999. OnePlus 6 will go on sale in India on May 21st via Amazon India. While the Amazon Prime subscribers will be able to pick up the smartphone on May 21st, the device will be available for public on May 22nd. The smartphone will also be available for purchase on OnePlus.in, OnePlus Experience Store as well as all other OnePlus offline sales channels. OnePlus also will be hosting pop-up events across 8 Indian cities including Bengaluru, Delhi, Mumbai, Pune, Chennai, Hyderabad, Kolkata, and Ahmedabad between 21 to 22 May 2018. The customers and fans will be able to experience the powerful and stylish OnePlus 6 at the stores over the 2 days and also purchase the device on a first-come first-served basis. The limited edition variant will be available on May 29. OnePlus 6 specs. The OnePlus 6 is the first phone from the company with a notched display and sports a 6.28-inch full optic AMOLED panel with 2280 x 1080 pixel resolution and 19:9 aspect ratio. The phones use Gorilla Glass 5, protecting it from scratches and drop effect. Under the hood is Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 SoC paired with 8GB LPDDR4X RAM. OnePlus offers the smartphone in 3 variants based on RAM and storage. A 6GB RAM variant comes with 64GB of storage, while the device with 8GB RAM model is available in both 128GB and 256GB, UFS 2.1, storage options. As for optics, there is primary dual camera system of 16MP, f/1.7 aperture, Sony's IMX519 sensor, 1.22 pixel size, and 20MP, f/1.7 aperture, sensors included on the back, and these are RGB and telephoto lens respectively. A 16MP sensor is present on the front, allows for shooting selfies. The OnePlus 6 is fueled by a 3300 mAh battery and supports OnePlus's proprietary Dash Charge fast charging technology. The phone will run Oxygen OS 5.1 based on Android 8.1 Aria. OnePlus Bullets wireless headphones specs. An evolution of corded bullets, the new OnePlus Bullets wireless come with an around neck design. They are not exactly wireless as the buds are still connected to each other by a cable that wraps around your neck. The buds themselves are milled from aluminium and come with magnetic backs, allowing you to clip them together to avoid tangles. The integrated magnets also offer a number of additional features. OnePlus says clipping together the buds pauses the music, and while unclipping will resume the playback. The feature currently works with OnePlus 5, 5T, and 6 devices. The company said a future update would allow users to answer calls by uncoupling the earbuds. The Bullets wireless also feature inline remote control. The neckband comes with a button for power and pairing, as well as includes a USB-C port for charging. They come with Google Assistant integration, which means you get to give commands to your assistant without taking the phone out of the pocket or backpack. OnePlus said the earphones are rated weather-resistant, meaning they will be sweat and water-resistant. The Bullets Wireless use Bluetooth V4.1 technology and support Qualcomm aptX playback technology for high-resolution audio playback. The earphones feature 9.2mm moving coil drivers and the company's Energy Tube technology, which helps reduce audio distortion and deliver a more clear sound quality. As for battery life, OnePlus promises 8 hours of total battery life at moderate volume levels. The earphones are also equipped with Dash Charge fast charging technology. OnePlus said this allows the headphones to provide 5 hours of continuous audio playback with just 10 minutes of charging. Additionally, the fast charging technology works with every kind of USB Type-C cable, and you won't need a specific charger for this. To preserve energy, the earphones will also come with automatically shut down function, which turns them off after 5 minutes of inactivity. The OnePlus Bullets wireless headphones are priced at Rs 3,999 and will be available from June 5th. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button and press the bell icon after subscribing to get notified for all future updates.